Good afternoon everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn driven styles just using this scarf. So I will turn this scarf into turban hat style, whatever you want to call it. But sit down and let's learn how to turn this our scarf into several styles. I don't know how many styles we'll be able to fit in this video, but sit down and let us start. So I don't want to waste your time. The first style, in the comment section, you can let me know which of the style you love most. That's good. I appreciate that. So for the first style, you see, this is my scarf. I try to see which one it will cover my head up to this, right? So from here, I start, and you see the way I do my hand, and just pick. Do you want me to do it again? This. You see it? And just pick. You see what I'm able to make with that? And then for the first style, let's start with it. You can just, you see what I'm doing? So you don't have to go to work with dull hair, or if you're having a rough hair day, you can just use this to pack your hair stylishly. You see? And you can turn it into the second style. If you like to cover your hair, you don't want your hair to show in the middle. You see the longer part, the one that I measured when I first started, and you can just come to the back. You see what I did? I just spread it out. And this one, just tuck it in. And you're good to go. My hair is all covered, and you can tuck in your hair. If you want to tuck in your hair, you don't want your hair to show at all. You understand what I mean? And you can just pack your hair the way you want to use and tuck it in. And so, two styles. Just go. Then let's go to the other style. I tie my hair with the scarf. It happens. So all you have to do is, instead of, see, I unloosen. So this time around, the same way you can measure your head, or if you know, just make a knot. But make sure the knot is a little bit loose, because you will still use it. And make second knot a little bit loosen. And the third, you can make 3, 4, depending on how long. Just make sure that these are loose. So these are my 3 knots. And just place it on your head and at the back. and then come back to the front and style. So pick the first one. You see the way I pick it out, the hand, and make that rosy. That's the first. Pick the second one out the same way and make that rosy style. And the third one, pick it out and make the rosy style. Okay, just want to pick it out. Okay, you see the 3 rows, and you can then tighten. Now that you get your rows, you know I have your rows to be loosened a little bit. So now you have, just arrange. Be stylish with your scarf. Just be stylish. So now I have 3 roses on my head. And if you want to cover the middle of your head, all you have to do is just take one of these and open it up. You see the way I'm opening it up? You can just, you see? Open it up and come to the back. And secure it. While maintaining your roses, now your roses will be at the side because of the way we tie it. So, but make sure it's well tightened and just tuck it in. And make sure your roses are still maintained. If the roses is not staying, you can just use a pin to hide it down. And you can be more stylish and just use your brush and put it in one of the roses or anywhere. Let me see, let me just put it in the first rose. I think it's much more better. And all right, let's go to the other one. Remove your rose. And this one, you need a rubber band. So all I do is pick it, as many rows as you can form. I'm trying to make at least 4. Just leave it like that and just bring this to the front and locate the end of this one and to hold it in place. Okay, now to styling of this. You see, hey, you can go out like this if it's not stylish enough. So all you have to do, pull it out. You see what I'm doing? Pull it out. Easy peasy, right? Easy peasy. And the fourth one, same thing. And you can adjust. This rose is too high. And if you want your hair to be covered, you know what to do? We already know the gimmick. Just pull out this one and this one. Why is my hair so stuck? Okay, you see? And just place it on your head. Always tuck it in so as to give like a hat finishing. So always tuck this part in. You don't want to leave it like this, okay? You understand what I'm saying? Just tuck it in so that it gives like a hat look finishing. And to your front, OMG, you still have this. So now we still have our 4 roses. Oh, and then you take your pin and the last one here, just pin it down. Now to the styling of our rose, you understand what we're doing? Pull it out. You understand the gimmick? Pull it out. Once you start pulling it out, and just pull it out. That's all I'm doing, just pulling it out. And for the last one, just pull it out so that you have your 4 roses. Oh, my hair is all over the way. You see my hair all over the way? Well, you got it. And you can, if you don't want it to cover your face, I love it covering my face, you can pull it up. Whatever you want to do, but I still prefer it down just to be stylish, you know. I just like it like that. So do it your own way. Do it any way that I'm loving it. So yeah, I don't want to spend more time. I will do more videos and show you different styles of styling our scarf. You don't have to go to work just unstylish, so make it more stylish. Okay, I love you all. Remember to subscribe. Thank you for subscribing. Love you. See you next time. Bye.